how to make your studying plan. You want to learn English, you know how to do, you know why you are going to do, the reason your objective is gonna be a professional, or you have to do your master degree, or is gonna be something related to your business. You want to learn English, but you don't know what you are going to learn, how you can do it, and the material you have to use to speak English fluency, to speak English as the native speaker. If you are looking for the answers of one of these questions, this video is for you. Hi, my name is Jibril. I'm from Mali, West Africa. I'm an online English learner. I make a lot of video on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and so on, to help the English learner, the student, any person want to learn English online and speak English like native speaker. And today I wanna help you to make the English, the learning plan, learning agenda, something you have to do 3 times, 4 times, 5 times a week, or every single day, in order to improve your English. The first one is the mindset. If you think it is possible for you, it's gonna be possible. If you think learn English is your priority, is something you can do it, achievable, something you think you can do it, is possible for you, it's gonna be possible. If you think it's gonna be difficult, or you can do it, it's gonna be difficult also to get it. The first one you have to do is the listening. Listen to some short video, listen to some audio podcast, like Teacher Tiffany podcast. You can listen to that. It is important, can help you to improve your listening, to understand what the people say in English, because sometimes the native speaker or some people speak fast, and it's gonna be difficult to understand if you are not prepared, if you are not training yourself to understand, to listening more and more to the thing. For example, short video, podcasts, and so on. The more you listen, the more you understand what the people say, and the more you can guess the word and listen. By the way, in general context, try to understand the general meaning of what the people say. Don't try to understand each word, every single vocabularies you hear. Is gonna be difficult to understand because people speak fast, and if you have to pause every time to search the meaning of this vocabulary, is gonna be difficult to understand the main meaning. You can note some vocabularies and so on, and after you can check on in the dictionary. The first one is listening. You can go on YouTube, check EnglishClass101.com with teacher Alicia, and start listening what she said, English conversation, grammar, and so on, phrasal verb, etc. Teacher Joe also on YouTube, Instagram. You can also listening to Teacher Joe to help improve your listening. We have a Teacher Tiffany podcast or English video on YouTube also. You can listen also to Teacher Tiffany, watch Teacher Tiffany videos on YouTube. We have Linga Marina, Vanessa, Russian English. These are the material you can use to listen to something and try to improve your listening. You can also go on Google and check breakingnewsenglish.com. That also the news, and you can listen, read, and we have a lot of questions and a lot of things you can improve your English. The second thing is speak. You are going to, at the first time, speak by yourself. by the imitation technique, by the shadowing, by the mimicking. You have to check for the role model, some specific person. You have to copy that person. You have to say what the person say. You have to repeat what that person repeat to improve your pronunciation. Is extremely important. Maybe it cannot be a teacher or a famous person. You have to a famous person who has good at the communication, good communicator, and you have to repeat after that person, copy that person, imitate, shadow, mimicking that person, and gonna be useful and incredible, amazing thing. After a while, you are finding out your pronunciation or your abilities to speak grow and grow. You can practice by the application Cake or Duolingo. Repeat after them, after they say there's something they say, after the sentences, the phrases, and so on. That all these are the material to help you improve your speaking. On the other hand, you have to practice your English with other people. I have made a video how you can practice your speaking with other people. Check on my YouTube channel and you can watch that video, helpful. I show a lot of material how you can practice your English with other people. Extremely important, because in that way you can know how you speak English, what is your level at speaking English, and what the other people say when they speak in English, the vocabulary, the phrasal word, about culture, and a lot of things you can learn from other people. If you speak English with other people, if you practice your English with other people, you can go on Free for Talk on Google, or Speak English application named Speak English, or on WhatsApp, Instagram. Practice your English with the friend and so on, 3 times a week, 4 times a week, and you are going to find out your English ability about speaking grow out. Number 3 is read for fun. As teacher Joe Crossman suggests, to read for fun is to search for some book, magazine, article online, or the real book, and you can read that every single day. Something you are interesting, enjoyable, something you need it, something you like it, and that way help you to improve your pronunciation, improve your vocabulary, improve your grammar, and improve also your speaking, because you are gonna read a lot of things, a lot of stuff, you like it, you love it, and you are learn a lot of vocabulary. And when you start to speak with other people, you are going to use that vocabulary, that way to speak, and you are going to know how to make or how to put the things together. After that, you can also write a paragraph, write something about any subject you want. After you write something, you have to check the noun. Do you mean one or other one? If it is more than one, you make a S, or some noun are uncountable now, you do not make a S. And check the verb also. If you mean now or tomorrow or yesterday, present, past, and future, that is also the way you can improve your writing. After that, we have vocabulary, grammar, phrasal verbs, imitation technique, shadowing. All these material are going to help you to improve your speaking, because nowadays we have a lot of material, a lot of strategy, a lot of technique online, how you can speak English and how you can improve your speaking, your listening, your writing, reading, and so on. How you can speak English like a native speaker. You have to make an agenda. Monday, what you are going to do on Monday, on Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on, every single day. For example, today Friday you are going to watch 3 video and try to repeat after them and try to write down the new vocabulary and check for their meaning. On Saturday you can practice your English with other people. On Sunday you can read for fun. On Monday also you can listen, or you can learn about grammar. You can switch up something like that every single day and write down what you do every single day, the daily objective, the diary, or the weekly result, or the monthly objective, the objective you down, the objective you achieve, you have to write down. I have do that from June 18, 2020 to December 2021. Everything I learn, I take a note, I make the objective, I make the result. Even sometime I can do something, or I didn't do something because of time or because of other problem in life. I take a note, and the next month or the next week I'm going to do that and check out what is the problem. If the problem was speak with other people, after a week or after a month, I'm going to check out now what is my speaking level. Am I progress, or what is the problem? What can I do to make to solve this problem? That is the way we can learn and measure our progress and know if we do something, or if we didn't, or if we don't get a good result about during our learning process. I think that is the last video for this year 2021. I made a lot of video, more than 60 video on YouTube. You can watch my videos on English with Jibril on YouTube. If you are on Instagram, you can also watch some video there. If you are on TikTok or LinkedIn or Facebook, I made a lot of video. As I say, I'm an online English learner. I make a video, something I learn, something I definitely practice, and something I have exclusively an experience, and I share with other people to help the listener, the viewers, the learner, the student to stay motivated and continue learning English. And that is the way I'm continuing to do. And I think this video is helpful for the learner, and you have to do it every single day as well as you can. I usually say we have learn English is like sport. You have to train your brain every single day by surrounding yourself by the English, listening, speaking, read, writing, and so on. Something you do a little bit every day, even 15 minutes, 40 minutes, 1 hour, more than an hour every single day. And after some time you are going to check out the result, and you are going to see the progress, the good progress, the good result, the offer you make. You have to work hard in the smartest way. You do not have to work hard every single day, something boring, something you don't like it. You have to read for fun, read something you like it, listen to something interesting. If you are a student at the medical university, or if you are on the computer science or something like that, read English or learn English on the side, something about computer, something about geography, something about history, something about economic, and so on. I think that way can motivate you to continue learn something, because it is something you are interested. It is something also you like it, you love it. It's gonna be easy, or it's gonna be exciting to continue do that. I think that is the end of this video, and don't forget to continue improve your English.